Today we're going to walk you through this client build that we just finished up. This client build is built into a 2025 Ford Transit Extended with a high roof. And it features our classic Euro floor plan. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything that we got. So before we hop inside, let's go over some of the exterior features these clients went with for this van. Starting with the Rover van products on this build. Now on each side, we have our Rover van step bars. Let's make it easier to get in and out of the van. And up top, we have a heavy-duty extended Rover roof rack. Now this Rover roof rack houses all the other exterior features on this van, including 3 200-watt solar panels, a max air fan, a Dometic AC unit, and this manual Fiamma F45S awning. On our builds, you can include a lot of other exterior products, and you can use our build and price tool to check out what options are available and what you might want for your own van. This one didn't need a lot, so we can move on and hop on inside to check out the Euro floor plan. So the Euro is one of our oldest floor plans. And since its inception in 2017, it's been evolving and changing right alongside us. Now, like the name suggests, the Euro is based on the European camper scene. And it's built around the idea of including all the major amenities in a full size inside of your camper. So you'll have a full-size kitchen in here, a ton of storage, a large lifted bed, and even an enclosed shower unit. Now that's a lot of features in this build, so I'm going to go ahead and walk us through each individual section, starting with the passenger side of the build. Now on the passenger side is where you'll find this full-size Galley unit. And this gives you everything you need in a kitchen. And we'll just go through and break it all down. Starting with over here, you can see we have a nice lift-up countertop. And this countertop's already larger than most. Since it's in an extended van, we were able to use that footprint to give you way more workspace. Now coming from this side, we have this nice stowaway Torva faucet unit. It's a nice deep sink, and the sink insert up top can double as a cutting board. Moving on from that, we have a Dometic dual stove burner up here. Now, like with the sink, the propane can be found underneath the Galley, and the water system hooks up to a gray water Comet jug underneath for easy disposal of water. And hanging on over from that, we have a Vitrifigo 150 slim fridge. This is the largest fridge unit we carry in stock, and includes adjustable shelving, a freezer up top, and a nice crisper unit down below with a real deep storage recess. And of course, going on from there, it's easy to see, but a microwave up top. Now that pretty much gives you everything you need in a Galley. And as you can see, we have upper storage right here. It's cut off a bit by the microwave, but there's upper storage located throughout this entire van. Right here on the passenger side and along the bed in the back of the van. Now let's go ahead and continue this tour and hop over to the driver's side. Now on the driver's side, as you can see, we have our dining area. Now this is the most transformable portion of this build. Actually, it's the most transformable portion of almost all of our builds. And that's due to the broad arrow seat bed system right here. So this acts as both a passenger seat and a bed. So you can have it like this, with a table here for working, hook someone up so they can be a passenger in your van, or utilizing this roto table and the swivel seats in front, we can turn this into a seating area like this. And this gives you plenty of room to entertain guests inside of your van. And as you can see over here, a bit easier now, we have access to 12-volt electrical systems and USB charging, so you can charge devices and use other things over here. But that's not all. Once again, it's a broad arrow seat bed, so if you're bringing an extra passenger, you can also turn into a bed like this. And with this bed here, that means the Euro floor plan can sleep up to 3 to 4 people depending on the size of the broad arrow seat you go with. Now, just a few other things to touch on here. Once again, we have the upper cabinetry that I mentioned before, and a nice big broad arrow window system right here. The broad arrow windows are dual pane acrylic windows that open awning style, so you don't have to worry about rain or snow coming into the van, and feature a dual bug screen and blind system. So the Euro floor plan has a fully enclosed shower. Now inside this, you'll have everything you need for a general shower system, obviously. Got hot and cold water hooked up to a 76-liter water tank in the build. And then in here, it'll also double as a water closet because you'll have a toilet in there, saving space throughout the rest of the build. Before we talk about the bed, let's show you how you'd actually get into it. Now we have these heavy-duty drawer slides right here that we utilize as a stepladder to get into the bed. Now these things are solidly built into the bed itself. And once again, they're heavy-duty drawer slides, so I feel perfectly confident standing on top of it, and I'm not worried about it breaking at all. So this is the bed in the Euro. Now, since the Euro floor plan is always in extended vans, this is a north to south facing bed, which means you sleep from the back of the van facing front. Now, this bed itself is about just over 6 feet in length and about 6 feet wide. So it's perfect bed size for this camper. Now, our vans are all 4-season campers. Everything's fully insulated in here. But sometimes you need a breeze to make things comfortable in here. So we have 2 broad arrow windows on each side, letting you look out and create a cross breeze when you need. And speaking of creating a cross breeze, up top, we have a max air fan unit. That lets you bring fresh air into the van or pull air out. And just above me right here, we have the Dometic AC unit. So you can keep everything nice and cool. And if you want to make things toasty, there's a Webasto heater unit in this build as well. Now that covers everything over here. Let's go ahead, hop down below, and finish with the garage. In the garage, we have these heavy-duty drawer slides. Lets you easily store and get anything out of here that you need to. Then, on the driver's side here, we have our EcoFlow battery system. All these doors are easy access to that. And then you have a control panel up front above the galley that lets you control all the systems in your van. Now, this battery system is charged in 3 ways. We have shore power, the alternator up front, and the solar panels up top, making it real easy to charge your van. Now we're just going to hop over to the passenger side here and talk about the water storage unit in here. Once again, this is 76-liter fresh water storage. And then out back here, you have an outdoor shower if you need to wash off anything outside of the van instead of using the indoor shower. And you have access to fill your water right here. So just put a hose in here and fill up your fresh water. And of course, as you can see, we have lighting for the garage and controls for the pot lights up top. And then just up here, you're able to control the lever for you're able to store the lever for your manual awning. So that's the Euro. We hope you enjoyed this video. You can use the links in the description down below to check out the build gallery for this vehicle or the build and price tool we have on our website to make your own van. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you in the next one.